What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Felonius Gru Jr. from Despicable Me. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left side, we draw a smaller circle, leaving a gap on the outside and pulling that in, and then we'll line that up on the right. Let's draw an even smaller circle in the center for the pupil. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go in between the eyes along the bottom and draw the bottom edge of the nose. We'll curve this down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw another curve going up and then down. Now from the bottom of the nose, let's step back down and draw a longer curve for the mouth. And down and up. And we'll add a bracket on the ends. Now from here and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start from the outside of the left eye, step out, start by coming straight down. Round up the chin, going across, and then bend that up on the right side. And then from here, we draw the bottom edge of the mask. Let's start back on the left side. We're going to come down underneath the eye, pull that up in the middle, round this out, come down underneath the right eye, and then back up towards the side of the head. Now I want to draw the top half of the head. Let's start back on the left, bump this out, go up and in across the middle of the head, go across, and then in on the right. Let's add two curves along the top for the eyebrows, starting on the left, going up, and then down, and then line it up on the right. Now I want to add the ears along the side. Let's start from this point, then it's up and out, and pull that back in. Now along the top, we're going to add a fold. Now with the head in place, let's wrap that scarf around the neck. Let's start on the left side, then it's down and then in to create a fold. And do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the scarf. Curve this around, across the center, go up on the right, and then back in. Let's add those thick stripes across the scarf. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line coming down, draw one on the right. Now on the ends, it's going to bend this out and then back in. Now I want to pose our character sitting on the ground. So let's start with the inside edge of the arms. On the left side, we leave a gap, bend this down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to point the thumbs coming in. We're going to go in, around, and then back out. Let's add those three fingers on either side. Let's start from the left, then it's out and down. Round out the tip of the finger, bend this up, and then back in. Now I want to layer two more fingers on either side. So we'll start from the tip, go out, and back in. Let's do that one more time, going up towards the top of the hand and then in towards the thumb. Now we're going to go back up underneath the scarf on the outside, draw the arm. It's going to round this out, come down and then in on top of the hands. In between the thumbs, draw a straight line. Now in the center of the body, we're going to draw the scarf coming down. So come straight down on the left and right, round at the bottom. Now I'm going to add one stripe across the top. Now I'm going to push the legs out towards the side, starting from the outside finger, round up the foot, going out and then up, round out the toe, and then bring that back down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's layer the leg in behind the foot, bend this up and then in towards the arms. Now on the left side, I'm going to bring the bottom edge of the scarf coming down, bending that out, bend that back in, and then we'll add one stripe. Now I want to add that foot pad along the bottom of the foot. Let's start from the outside along the top, go this around, down towards the bottom, and then out. Now let's add some spots going across the body. Let's start from the top, add these small circles, and then we're just going to work our way down and over towards the right. And a little sign of art and then a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Felonius Groot Jr. from Despicable Me. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.